So a lot of people are still worried about the gold market and also silver market right now. Not so much silver, but mostly gold. Gold slammed. What's coming? And the whole thing about this is, guys, I want to give you just a good, clear picture of what's going on right now, what I see it's happening right now, and what I think is likely to come. Let's go straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, guys. Before I get into gold, let me just cover silver, because silver hasn't been doing much. So silver's pretty quick. A quick little update here. Silver is still stuck in this sideways range through here. We've got a lot of support just below here with silver. So silver really hasn't made a move at all. The thing that I'm watching when it comes to silver is that if silver starts to break above $26, that's the key. This is the key level for a big move to come out of silver. Is we're looking for the $26 level. Once we start to break above there, until then we still could be in this sideways range from there. Now that's what I'm seeing on with silver. Let's go have a look at gold. And gold actually had a bit of a slam to the downside once again. Let me actually bring up the candlesticks for you. You can see gold actually had a bit of a slam into the downside. And in fact, if I just draw my trend lines from there to there, you can also see that we're pretty much right at that level of support right there. Right, so we're pretty much right at that level of support right now, where we are, and around about that $1,800 level as well. And in fact, if I just draw this trend line, actually, let me just do this here. I'm just trying to find a good trend line that I can use. Let me take actually. And let me just use that for a minute. So there could also be a bit of a channel just below this whole area here. As you can see, it's a bit of a confluence of a lot of support here on a short-term basis. Now, this is what I'm seeing on the short-term basis, guys. We could possibly get a bit more follow-through as a bit of a shake and bake material with gold and silver. But I really believe, guys, we're getting very, very close towards the end of this downward move before we see a bit of a slingshot pattern. The market loves to do this. Look what it did back here. Right, we're going up for a while. Then we had this big thump. That was a major buying opportunity before we started to see a nice rise. Bit of a slingshot pattern. So when the market dumps like that, it's a bit of a slingshot pattern to the upside. And so we can see that that's what gold's doing right now. We're starting to break out. Gold has continued to sell off, as you can see from here. But we're getting right around that $1,800 level. Now that $1,800 level is indeed this major support level back here, and now we're getting a bit of a flush down. So I would not be too quite surprised to see that what we're doing right now is a bit of a bear trap in gold, and we can see that the market's actually pulling back through here. But once again, guys, I would not be too quite surprised to see this start to hold over the next few weeks, and moving into December and also January, we start to make a very, very, very nice move up. The market loves to do this, and you guys have seen this before, right? Whenever the market goes down, whenever the market starts to do this, a lot of people are getting freaked out that are not emotionally calm about what's going on right now. A lot of people are freaking out, and guess what happens? They get out, it might go down for a little bit more, and then a month later, it starts to make a big move to the upside. So that's what I'm looking through there on gold. We can see on this weekly chart, still in a very big, nice upward trend. So we're just getting a pullback, and so I truly believe, guys, that to me, this is a major buying opportunity for me to be adding, and I'm already actually in gold, and I'm in some silver stocks as well too. Ready for the next move to come, whether that's this month. Actually, it won't happen this month, but I believe maybe December and January is going to be very bullish months for the metals, and that's what I'm seeing through there with guys. Gold with there. If you are in a trading position, then obviously have a stop loss in place. If you are in an investing long-term position with gold, like I am personally as well too, then just be calm, guys, be patient, and understand what the market is doing. Understand the behavior of the markets and what's likely to happen, and we can continue following from there.